In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace old, worn out silicone in your bathroom areas. To do this, you're going to need your trimming knife and your scraper. Place them flush against the floor tile and start to cut the underside of that silicone, and then I do it down the top of the silicone, placing it against the top of the tile. Then I'll take my small hand brush to just see if I've got all of that silicone off both the wall and the floor tile. And I'm going to run a line of masking tape all the way along the bottom, across the shower tray and across the floor tile, just about 5mm away from the actual gap. Then I'm going to take another piece of masking tape and do the same, but this time on the wall, just about 5mm above the actual crack. Now the masking tape is in position, I'm going to load up my cork gun. Now normally I'd also trim this nozzle off at an angle, and I will do in a moment, but to start with, I'm just going to apply the silicone through that little narrow hole here, just so I get right tight into the gap. Place the nozzle right into the area that needs filling and slowly start to squeeze the handle of your cork gun until the silicone appears, and slowly guide it across the gap. Once your first line is complete, use a silicone wipe to remove any bacteria from your fingers before starting to wipe the wet silicone. And now I'm going to cut the nozzle down so it's a little bit wider, and then apply a second line. You can then start to remove your masking tape. You're looking for more 60-second tips, like and follow us on TikTok, and you can get all the details from tilemountain.co.uk.